I'm Michelle with Realty Advantage.
And I'm Kim with Realty Advantage, and together we are Buy, Sell, Love San Antonio.
And we are cooking today with San Antonio chefs.
So this is the San Antonio Cooks Cookbook, and we are going to go through it and every recipe, make them, and see what we think. A smoked turkey from 2M Smokehouse, and this was actually very few ingredients. It was really just a boneless, skinless turkey breast, salt, pepper, honey, and butter. So I started it this morning, and it does call for boneless, skinless breast, but I could only find one, with everything in it, so I did all that myself. So it's smoked for 2 hours on the smoker, and then it got wrapped with honey on it. The recipe called for 2 cups of honey, but honestly I only used 1 cup. It also calls for 2 cups of butter, but I only used a 1/4 cup. So let's give it a slice and see what we think. I think the restaurant probably gets a larger turkey breast. It calls for a 3 to 6 pound, but I think that's probably just like 1/2 of the turkey breast that they get. But it looks pretty good, I gotta say. So I think we'll wait for the street corn to get done.
This is the Mexican street corn from 2M Smokehouse. So first we melt 2 cups of butter, and then we add 2 cups of Velveeta cheese, 1 cup of milk, and 1 cup of crema. Of course, we're gonna, after that's all melted, we're gonna add the corn, which we have already grilled over here in my wonderful cast iron pan, and we've taken the corn off the bone, off the cob, I mean, and then we're gonna mix that all together. So here we have it all done in our dish. Looks delicious. Top it off with a little cojita cheese. Cojita cheese, and a little tahini.
Oh yeah.
Do you like a lot or a little?
That's good.
I think that's good too.
Yeah.
Let's try it.
Let's give it a shot, see what we think. Cheers.
Cheers.
I like it. I can taste the crema in it.
It's
really
very
rich.
different than our normal Mexican street corn.
Yeah.
Kind of like a little bit, like you were saying, macaroni and cheese.
Like mac and cheese, but with corn. Actually, it's kind of rich.
Very rich. You saw that butter and cheese that went into it. Let's try the turkey.
Now we're gonna try turkey. I'm so glad I didn't eat lunch today. All right.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers. It's a lot of simple, like 5 simple ingredients. That went a long way.
Very tender.
Really good.
Well, of course, smoking helps.
You can taste just the salt and pepper rub, and then that nice honey finish. That's good.
So stay tuned for more from us, Buy, Sell, Love San Antonio, with the San Antonio Cookbook from the San Antonio chefs.